32 now, and wildfires continue to burn in Southern California. Right now, roughly 50,000 people are under evacuation orders, 50,000 or warnings due to a new wildfire near Los Angeles. Annie is with us in studio to break down what we've learned overnight from officials. Man, just when you think they've got a handle on this, a new fire pops up.
That's right. That's exactly what happened here. Officials say the Hughes fire is burning now in Castaic, a suburb in the foothills and mountains of northern LA County. It's burning about a football field size area every 2 to 3 seconds. Tens of thousands of people who live in that area remain under evacuation orders or warnings. Look at this. Several area roads remain closed. The National Weather Service is extending its red flag warning into tomorrow, and the service says Santa Ana winds have been pushing the Hughes fire southwest. Now, officials say the good news is that it's been less windy. That's when the Palisades fire began, and that's allowed a real consistent aerial attack on the Hughes blaze. So that is helping a bit. But the Palisades and Eaton fires now relatively under control. But as you mentioned, now this one sparks, and it's just it's been nonstop.
And the devastation left in its trail, whether it's out or not. So.
And usually this is not the time of the year when they're dealing with this. We're used to seeing them deal with this in the spring and in the summer.
It's just been those extremely dry conditions, and then fueled by the winds.
Yeah.
Thanks, Annie.